Great. That's it, just watch left. Two down on this side.
Roger. Go on.
Nice. What, you got action, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, just let me know. We lost the man on our left.
Yes, we have.
Careful. Yeah.
Wait, hello.
The man on the stairs, hold that angle. Yeah. I got in front of you, don't worry. Put container in front. Stop hands, stop hands. Shoot left-handed. Go. If you want, you can stand here with me.
Yep.
Well done. Come on, yellow. Let's keep this line.
Got him.
Well done.
Heads, good shot.
Go, we need your test, we need your test. Let's come another way.
Got him. Ooh, got him. Heads, good shot. Oh, got him.
Nice, mate. Good job.
Yeah, you've got his head down. Oh, got the guy up top. He's gone, he's gone.
Did you get him on me?
Yeah, up top and right's down.
Hell yeah.
Dink. Nah, I saw that, buddy. Dink. Oh! Tagged him, yes. There you go. First one was a gun hit, that's fair enough. Oh, got him! Yeah, I see him, he's poking over the window. He's down.
Come in, we're going to go inside the top floor, Joe.
Say again?
We're going to go inside, yeah?
Yeah, agreed. Take the top floor. On your 6.
Don't shoot me.
Roger.
I may have yellow armbands, but I'm not on the yellow team right now.
Excuse me. Friendly's upstairs. Friendly's upstairs. Friendly's blues. He's down. He's down. He's down.
You get it? Yeah.
Let's give it a whirl. Can you give us some cover fire?
Where are you going?
I'm going to that building with the blue spray on it.
No.
3, 2, 1, going.
on target now.
Hits! Thanks for the friendly fire, boys. He's down. Yeah, top left's dead. Should just be top right left. Push, push. Come on, there's a shitload of us and one of them. There we go. Got him.